Right, there's the turn off house. From here is 110, which tomorrow is where I'll be going to house, then left down to Rosh Pina. So I think it's one of the shortest hops tomorrow. A very short one. The ones from here are, so the Gibeon one was probably the longest. There it says Aus 105. I'm not going to Luder, it's on the coast. I don't think it's that far from Aus southwards down to Rosh Pina. But it's also, I think, where the road also gets a lot more interesting. So 30 k's to Bethanie. Gaan ek lekker sit. It should be quite a pretty hotel that I booked in. Possibly the nicest spot of the whole trip, in terms of being nicely appointed and stuff. Wind's coming from the somewhere. Oh, there's a little bit of warm air, warmish, coolish, warmish. I think Bethanie's claim to fame, it's got the oldest hotel in the whole of Namibia, I think, or something like that. And somewhere I read they were very proud of the tar road going there. So clearly that's part of the tourism thing or something. So I hope they got strong Wi-Fi, because just need to do my admin catch up, I think, this afternoon. Download, try and, dear Lord, try and get some uploads going of the GoPro stuff at least, because that part I still haven't managed to do.